Hey there, Track DIYers. Just wanted to wish you a wonderful holiday season filled with happiness, merriment, good food, and most importantly, good company. 2022 has been a great year for me, starting this channel and making silly little videos in my dusty garage. Although I have no qualifications besides a passion for cars and good intentions, the car enthusiast community is awesome and encouraging, even to the least qualified of us who are willing to pick up a wrench and a camera. So if you're watching this video, thank you for supporting my fledgling channel, putting up with my cringy humor, and subscribing, liking, and commenting. I'm extremely grateful for your encouragement, motivation, and generosity. If you were to ask what's your goal for 2023, I'd have to say I have no expectations. Of course, it'd be awesome to be donut media, but I'm a realist, and in my experience, the drive to do and be better, whether it's a hobby, a new skill, or a relationship, it has to come from within. I believe that's an amazing power that we all possess as human beings, so this coming year I plan to do what I do, try to become a better version of myself, and share that journey with you fine folks. I hope that's good enough because that's all I got. So that's all for the Mostly Useless Garage. I wish you and your loved ones the very best of the season, happiness, health, and prosperity, and may all your bolts be torqued to spec, your fluids fresh, and may your busted knuckles heal with minimal scarring. Happy holidays and a joyous and happy new year. I'll see you in the next one.